Hi everyone, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. Folks, I cannot make this up. Yesterday I was talking to one of my trainers, and he has an account that's been with us for about a year, and we're doing sales training. And we've done a great job. Volume is up, grosses are up, we're right on our projected pace. We went from selling 80 cars a month to now somewhere between 110 and 120 cars per month, and grosses are up. Now my trainer wants to start to attack the F&I department. The F&I department is doing between $800 to $1,000 per car. And we feel this dealership should be doing between $1,800 to $2,000 per car. The trainer told me that the dealer does not want to train or make a change, and asked me to call the dealer because I knew him personally. So I called him up and we had a conversation. And here is what he told me. He said, David, I know we should be doing better. Nobody disagrees we should be doing the $1,800 to $2,000. But my F&I manager has been my friend for the last 30 years. We've given him training. He's upped it a little bit, and we're not going to terminate him. I said to him, that's an $80,000 a month friend. And he said, I know. Why would you not either put this individual in another position, create a dummy position for him to pay him, or just send him home and pay him anyways if he's that good of a friend? He's an $80,000 a month friend. Think about what this states to the other people in the dealership, that he's not willing to captivate these profits and this revenue. It makes no logical sense. As I told you, I can't make this stuff up. This is amazing. And we wonder why some of our dealerships are not making more money and selling more cars. Good luck, everyone.